How to find your Temu referral code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Temu provides a referral code that lets you invite friends and earn rewards. Here's how you can find it. 1. Open the Temu app on your mobile device and ensure it's updated to the latest version. Also make sure you're logged into your account. 2. Once you're on the home page, tap the U section at the bottom of the screen. It's located between the categories and cart options. 3. Next, select Win Rewards, which you'll find between History and Addresses. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to the Earn Credit and Free Gifts section. Choose Earn Credit, and you'll see an option for inviting new app users. 5. Tap on it, and a pop-up will appear. From here, you can either copy the link or copy the referral code to share with your friends. Alternatively, you can send your referral link directly through social media apps like Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. When your friends sign up using your referral code, both you and they will receive rewards, and that's all there is to it. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.